Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today we're going to learn how to make this double step fascinator made from bra cups part 2. Let's get started. Here are the things needed. I have this millinery wire, cleanorine, the white cleanorine. Here is a little feather. Here is a net. I'm using this double nets, two different colors to combine. Here is the bra cups. I'm going to use the biggest size. And here is my cutter, needle and thread. I'm going to use this B6000 and UHU. I'm also going to use glue gun as well. So first of all, you just trim the edges off these bra cups. Then this is not the usual one that I just wrap normally, so I'm going to make this a little bit different because I'm going to plait it. So I will simply add some glue at the edge of this net and plait like this. You can as well stitch, but I think stitching will make the thread start showing, so I decided to just use my glue. So once you add glue, you plait it like this. Ensure that as you are placing the next one, it's not going to cover the previous one you did. Okay, so as I add a little glue right here, so I'll plait and fold like so and place it right on top of that glue. At least I can place two before adding another glue again because the glue is very powerful. Place another one on top again like this. So I'm just going to continue like that till I get the desired width I want for the project that can cover the bra cups.
This is Ahviworld.
Here is it. I finished pleating it. So all I need to right now is to place it on top of this bra cup. First of all, I'm going to add my glue. I'm adding this candle glue gum. So I'll just add randomly at one side of the bra cups, then place the net right on top like this. Make sure you arrange it and everything is well aligned. So just arrange. You have to check to see where you think that the glue is not covering. You can add more glue and press it down so you can secure it right there.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
When you finish with the top side, you have to flip it over like so and add some glue at the inner part of it as well so that this place can be well secured. You just press it down and trim off the excess like so. Thereafter, you just press it down with your hand. Ensure that you are taking enough precaution because this glue is very hot. Okay.
This is Ahviworld.
Thereafter, you add on the other side. You know that the way it was, it couldn't cover it all at once. So after covering one side of it, you just add glue on the other side and place it right on top like so, and press it down with your hands and arrange any excess or anyone you know that is not aligning very well. You're welcome once more to my channel, Ahviworld. Are you new to this channel? Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't done that yet, please kindly do that to support us and to encourage us so that we'll be giving you more creative skills here. And if you have subscribed before now, thank you so much. I want to appreciate you especially. You've done the right thing and God will bless you for that. finished plating the net on the bra cups. Wow, can you see how lovely it's looking? This is unprecedented. All I need to do right now is to place it on the net. Can you see the other net? I didn't trim off the excess. I'm going to leave it like that in form of a design. I made two of these brim that's covering the millinery wire with the net. If you don't know how to do this, kindly check the link below to learn how to cover your wire like so. All I need to do right now is to place it on top of this net and stitch it. I finished stitching it, as you can see, and I also went a step ahead to trim off the inner part. If you don't know how to do it, still check the link. Then the other net, the other brim I made is smaller than the other one, so I will just bend this edge like so to give me a kind of a love shape. Can you see how it's looking? One side is sharper than the other side, so I'll just place it right on top like this. At this very point, I will add my glue there. Thereafter, I will just place the other one on top of it like so and stitch it right there. After stitching, I'm going to take my cleaner, then just add some glue at the edge like so. After adding the glue, I'll just bend it and hold it together in form of a bow tie, then tie it right there. I'll tie it, make sure it's firm, and secure it right there. I will just leave the excess rope or the thread I use in tying it right there, because this one is a different one. I'm gonna make sure that I place it continuously. You can see I'm making the next bow again. I will just add some glue at this down part of it like so, then try to fold it over the first one. Ensure that the first one is higher or longer or taller, whichever you want to say it, than the next one I'm doing right now. You can see it. So ensure that they are going to be in form of a step like that. So I'll just try to gather it with my hands like this. Then I'll use my rope to tie it. Know that the rope is still there. I didn't cut it out. So you just grab your rope and tie it right there.
Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
I'll just continue forming this kind of bow like this till I get the number required or till I exhaust my crinoline. Okay. You can see how neat it's looking, both front and back. That's why I didn't bother to cut it and start making them half-half, because crinoline usually frills. So thereafter, this remaining one, I left it purposely to make a row. So I'll just add glue at the edge, tie it right then try to stitch it from the midpoint. Remember that I folded it in half. So like this, you can see it is into two. Then I will just stitch the middle to the very point where I ended the former bow I was making initially. So once I get there, I'll pull the thread out and try to form a rose right there.
This is Ahviworld. Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
In order to cover up this places I stitched earlier on, I will just add some glue and trim off. Actually, I got these trimmings from this net, the edge of the net. That was what I trimmed out, and I will just use it to cover it up like so.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Now just place that ruffle I cut out from the net itself and place it right here on this crinoline. Then add some glue at the back side of the crinoline and stick it at the main body of the fascinator.
This is Ahviworld.
Thereafter, I'll just stitch it a little bit right here and add some feathers and we are done. Wow, is this not amazing? This is lovely. Please, if you like this video, kindly give us thumbs up. Can you see the crinoline there shining? And can you see the net itself on the bra cups showing that step pleated design? This is unprecedented. Wow. Please kindly give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.